If you want to make money in cryptocurrency, what you need to do is take risks. You need to invest big amounts and potentially lose big amounts. Now, how do we mitigate that? We use Flash. What is Flash? Flash is basically a coin that you can use to trade on an exchange, and if you lose it, you only pay a small fraction of the amount that you lost. So, for example, if you buy Flash USDT, $1 million will cost you initially to get started, $7,500 for 1 million, and then every million costs $500 after that. You get access to a platform. You can get as much flashed as you want. You just pay the gas fee, which is about $500 in Tron per million. You can use that on Binance to take a loan or stake only. You cannot trade it for BTC, for example, and then send it to your Trust wallet. You can trade, you can take out the profit, and you can make a lot of money. And if you lose, you don't lose much. Now, if you send it Trust wallet to Trust wallet or Exodus wallet to Exodus wallet, it's no problem. It'll stay. It won't disappear. The logo, the USDT logo, and the value show. You don't need a custom contract or anything like that. You can use it like that. So you can buy this to actually sell it for a markup. However, the best way to make money is to actually trade and to go high risk on maybe small altcoins and potentially make a huge amount of money. That is what we call package 3. Again, package 3 is USDT Trc20. It works on any platform that accepts USDT Trc20. All major exchanges. You can borrow against it, you can trade, and you can take out the profit. You cannot send $1 million to Binance, then trade it for Bitcoin, send it to your wallet, and go buy a Ferrari. That's not the way this works. You can send as much as you want on Trust Wallet, but on exchanges, you can only send and borrow against it. We also have a second package, which is package 2. Package 2 is USDT and USDC, which work on Binance. However, you cannot trade it. You cannot take a loan against it. You only see the coin in your spot wallet. You cannot trade it. You can't take a loan against it. You can send it from Binance to Binance. You can send it unlimited times. It won't disappear. You can also send USDC, DAI, and BTC to Trust Wallet. The only 2 coins out of package 2. There's 4 coins in package 2. The only 2 that work on Binance are USDT and USDC. The other 2 work perfectly on Trust Wallet. You can see the logo, the Bitcoin logo, you see the value, everything, no custom contract. You can send it from one person to another, no problem. That's $3,500. Now we have the lowest package, which is package 1, which is basically just a simple coin, and it's pretty much useless. You only see the logo on Trust Wallet or MetaMask. You get $10 million for $250. Most importantly, if you're looking for Flash cryptocurrency, I've been in this business for a long time. I'm probably the only legitimate seller out there. You can go ahead and contact me. My information is in the description. So contact info in the description. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Peace out.